Now, find a comfortable position. Keep your back straight and your feet grounded on the floor. Close your eyes and focus all your attention on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the refreshing air filling your lungs as if you're absorbing positive energy from the universe. As you exhale slowly through your mouth, let go of any worries, doubts, and limitations. Gently release anything that no longer serves you, creating space for abundance and prosperity. With each breath, feel your body and mind relax, gently opening up to receive energy from the universe. You are ready to begin a journey of infinite wealth. Now, we will go deeper into breathing to release all obstacles and open your heart to connect with limitless abundance. Gently focus on your breath and begin this cleansing journey. Breathe in deeply through your nose, feeling the fresh air filling your chest, carrying positive energy from the universe. Imagine each breath as a powerful energy flow, reaching every cell, every organ, washing away fatigue and bringing in new vitality. Feel as if you are absorbing an invisible, strong, and radiant power. Now exhale slowly through your mouth. Imagine each breath out as releasing anything that no longer serves you. Fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs. Like clouds dissolving in the wind, they drift away, leaving you with peace. Each exhale removes another layer of heaviness, leaving a lighter body, ready to welcome prosperity. Continue breathing deeply, feeling the fresh air rejuvenate your body. Allow your mind to calm, your muscles to relax, as all tension gradually fades away. With each breath, you feel an even deeper connection to the flow of abundance that the universe offers. Keep this breathing rhythm, inhaling to absorb positivity and exhaling to release obstacles. Allowing yourself to be immersed in a sense of purity and lightness. You are gradually becoming attuned to the energy of wealth, ready to receive wonderful things. Now, imagine a bright golden light gently descending, radiating from the vast universe above and entering the top of your head. This golden light is more than just light. It is a symbol of infinite wealth, a powerful financial energy that the universe has for you. Gently but powerfully, this light seeps into every cell, filling them with vitality and confidence in abundance. Feel the light moving through your head, neck, shoulders, and spreading throughout your body, bringing a sense of warmth, vitality, and peace. It's as if each cell in your body is bathed in the flow of prosperity and abundance. Each cell, each breath resonates with the rhythm of wealth. This light transforms you into a new person, strong, confident, and fully deserving of the best that life has to offer. Now, imagine yourself as a powerful magnet, an irresistible force for all wealth and financial opportunities. With each inhale, your ability to attract grows stronger. The golden light within you shines brighter, drawing abundance from all sources. As you exhale, you release any obstacles in your way, leaving a vast space within you, ready to receive wealth. Feel yourself as a living magnet, attracting money, opportunities, and prosperity. Every breath empowers you, affirming that wealth is your natural state. Let this feeling sink deeply into every cell, every thought, knowing that you are fully connected to the infinite wealth energy that the universe offers. Imagine your energy field expanding outward like a radiant golden light emanating from your body, surrounding the entire space around you. This light is not just financial energy, but a field of opportunity, valuable resources, and supportive relationships. You are creating a powerful aura, attracting all good things and abundance into your life. Each breath, each heartbeat strengthens this field, bringing you closer to wealth and success. Take a moment to affirm to yourself that you are fully deserving of all the wealth that is coming. You are part of the universal flow of prosperity, an essential piece in the rich tapestry of life. Thank the universe for bringing you opportunities, financial resources, and valuable connections to grow and thrive. Finally, affirm with strength that you are a magnet for wealth. Abundance and opportunities come to you naturally and effortlessly. You are an imán de riqueza, a source of power, attracting good things, and with each passing moment, you become more deeply connected to the limitless wealth energy